Wide awake, but tender, I'm still asleep. Feel so fake with you right next to me. We should say it out loud. There's no way in hell this works out. Should we face it, or should we just lie?
Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. Yes, I think this is like the second hair video that I've done since August, and that's because I am supposed to braid my hair, but I don't know what to do with it. I got this braiding hair. I was thinking like I was gonna braid my hair, but then I just felt tired and I have just been wearing I did a ponytail and I wore it for 1 week, and I came home and I washed my hair, and I'm doing this ponytail now. I'm gonna wear it for 1 week or a couple days actually, and then I have to figure out what to do with my hair. Whether I'm going to braid it again or I'm just gonna continue wearing my wigs. So I have to choose between, because I have to wear the wigs for like 3 months or I have to wear braids for like 3 months. I might just wear the wig for some time, maybe like 3 weeks, just so that my hair can get some breathing space, and then I'll get some hair to install. But as you can tell, we're just doing another ponytail. Just wash my hair, went ahead, wash it and so forth, and I kind of went ahead and I cut the hair a bit. Yeah, so I just cut off the ends that I thought weren't necessary, and I left what was necessary. So yeah, I think my hair is pretty healthy in terms of just how it feels, but my edges, they're still just the same way. You know what I'm saying? So maybe I just need to leave my hair just under the wig or something. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do for now, and then go back to crochet braids. Like, that's my life. Like, I can only do my natural hair after 3 months of wearing braids, and that's pretty much it. But as you can see guys, we just went ahead, went with or got the gel. I went with the gel that got to be the Gorilla Snot gel. Gorilla Snot? No, not the Gorilla Snot. Got to be glue, the black one, and then I use my edge wax to tame the edges a bit, and then I use my comb now, and I use the back of the comb to kind of brush in the hair. Then I'm going to take out a little teeny weeny bit of edges, because I want to not do too much edges nowadays because it's hot, and then even though the edges lay, but whenever you go outside, like after like 2-3 hours, then your edges just start to, you know, fade away with the wind. And I'm not about that life. Like, during winter I can wear my edges, like, you know, and I won't be wearing my hair. So, but like during winter I can wear my edges, like lots of edges and so forth. But during summer, like, this can only last for like 2-3 hours. It depends on how long I tied on my hair. But that's what we're doing. We're just doing two little curly cues thingy at the front. Yeah, like 2 mustache basically. And I'm just using the tail comb. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. We're going to go in with some braiding hair. That is it. So let me come back to you in a few. Okay guys, I'm going in some hairspray, and this hairspray is just going to help my hair to not be so greasy, like oily. It's not going to look so oily, but it's going to give it a nice little sheen, and at the same time it's going to make sure that the hair is still sticky, because when the hair is sticky it actually dries faster and it allows the flyaways to not be there. So basically, as you can see, I'm using the same old hair. Like this hair, I was using it before I did the ponytail towards the back, the low ponytail that I did. I use this. So I basically just do this 3 strand. I take my little baby like baby bun, and I just basically try to braid my hair into the bun. And basically what I use to put my hair in a bun, I don't use the braid to wrap it. You could use an elastic band or something, or a hair tie that's smaller, but I prefer to use the scrunchie material, you know, to braid to put my hair in a ponytail. What that basically helps to do, it actually provides a little bit of security when it comes to my hair, because my hair is like not so long, so it's very short. So if I use an elastic band with this style of braiding, the genie bun, it's going to fall off. Yeah, it's going to fall off because my hair is very curly in terms of the texture, very, you know, very kinky. So if it's not properly secured at the from the root, it's going to pull out. Yeah, that's basically it. So what I'm doing now, I'm using a piece of old braiding hair to wrap around the area where I have the hair tie or the scrunchie. So I'm basically using that now. The scrunchie is basically my base, and then I'm just wrapping the hair around it so I can get that genie bun vibe. Okay, and you're going to realize that with how I'm wrapping the hair around my bun, you're going to realize that the braid itself, the long hair, it's going to be very flexible. With the way that I'm wrapping my hair, my braid is going to be very flexible, meaning it's not going to be stiff. So if I want to like spin my hair or whip my hair, my bun can actually, or my ponytail can actually move, or my braid can actually move. My braided ponytail can actually move. It's not stiff. So I think this works. It works for especially this kind of bun, actually the high top genie bun, because you don't want a bun to be stiff. You want a bun to be able to move. So I think that it's better when you do the high top genie bun like this, because it's more flexible. Basically, that's what I want to say. But just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video, and then I'm going to come to you in a few minutes with the finished look. Okay, so see you in a bit. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Hope you like it. I really love how it looks. The genie bun, kind of genie ponytail I should say, is giving. I just went ahead and put some jewels at the end, and this is how long it is. I was going to curl it, but I'm like, no, I don't want to curl it, because when you curl it, it's going to look less natural. So I'm like, let me just leave it as it is. It looks more natural to me when it's not like curled and so forth. And then the hair now, it's like moving. It can move, like, yeah, I think like when it's done like the genie bun vibe, instead of from the root, it can move. It's more flexible, so it's not like stiff. Yeah, so this is the vibe. This is the hair. Yes, but this is it. This is it, your girl. Tell me what you think. Yes.